Villagers in Chintabante village of Chief Chuala's area in Masaiti district on the Copperbelt have been losing domestic animals to unknown people. The said people have taken advantage of the absence of police in the village to steal pigs, cows and goats.
Ngabaleko kwibe ngombele mbushi bakatampoku tuingira mayanda limbi tukala mfotati limboloku tuipa bakala tuipaya nomba tulio mbako obuteko utirativu tumineko bakapokola fira bali pakale pama roadblocks mose bale babikamo takwale bo musango wa.
One of Chief Chuala's indunas, Robert Lupia, claims several efforts seeking police presence in Chintabante village have failed.
Kweko kusoloweshe milandu ya muri amwe kama mumushimulia ngakunota kucheta wakwete nyoto kama ngaporea kwati basi bakita kufie patron fie kufika kona kwati 02 nangu 03 bakita kufie patron nangu 2 days babe katawali hawa.
And Chief Chuala has attested the rampant theft of animals in his chiefdom.
We have formed neighborhood watches in some areas where we want to catch up with these people.
Most of the villagers affected are widows who acquired the animals through associations and are required to pass them on to other members after a specified duration. Mwaka Namfukwe, Muvi TV News, Masaiti District.